Hello, I am Ren, your virtual assistant for today. Welcome to the virtual realm. Have you ever wondered if you can be in various places at the same time? If so, have you ever heard of quantum mechanics? Let me help you expand your knowledge in this topic. To start, you and everything around us is made of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics relating to the very small. It is the body of scientific laws that describe the wacky behavior of photons, electrons, and small particles that make up the world. Do you now have the idea of what quantum mechanics is? Isn't it weird? Well, to make it weirder, let me tell you about Schrodinger's cat. The author of this experiment is Erwin Schrödinger. Schrödinger, the Austrian physicist, was one of the founders of quantum mechanics. But he is most famous for the experiment he never really did. The thought experiment is called the Schrodinger's cat. How is this conducted? Schrödinger imagined taking a cat and putting it in a sealed box with a radioactive device that had 50% chance of killing the cat in a specified time. But until we look inside the box, we don't know whether the cat is dead or alive. And when we do look at it, it is either dead or alive. At the end of the time, he will ask, "What is the state of the cat?" The obvious answer would be only one. The cat is either dead or alive. But quantum mechanics suggests that the instant before we open the box, the cat is equal parts dead and alive at the same time. It is when we open the box do we see a single result in which the cat is in a definite state. You would say, this is ridiculous. How could one thing be two things or more at the same time? Quantum theory suggests that until a particle is measured and observed, it actually exists in all the states it can possibly be in simultaneously. This phenomenon of a particle existing in many states is called superposition. There is no option that the radioactive device will kill him and also not kill him. This is where the many worlds theory comes in. The theory states that anything that can happen does happen. For example, in this world, we open the box and the cat is alive. But in another world, the cat is dead. We could talk about this all day, but that is for another video. Once again, I am Ren, your virtual assistant. See you again next time!